Now we're going to install the underwater light into the bathtub. And this the plastic cask. Hold on， 等一下，等一下，那个你给我哪一边大一点的，哪一边小一点的？是一样的，一样的是吧？
不是一样的。
They are the same. Doesn't matter. We can. Okay. This plastic cask is originally from the water lights, so it's now next we're gonna put some glue on the water lights, on the lights. Okay. And insert it through the hole. And we'll use this flange to fix this light. Okay. Uh, 下面干什么？不要急，不要慌，慢慢来，慢慢来，慢慢来，不要急，一个一个来，你坐。坐好了。好。做这个小喷头是吧？等一下，跟我看。Now we're going to install these small jets. We just put it through the holes here. We've got 4 holes for this small jets. We got 2 here, and also 2 on the bottom. All right. Okay. Now we have to put glue on the back. The silicon. The silicon is sealant. Sealant. Okay. And I use this small jets. Hold up. We have to fix the massage jets, the small jets in the bathtub, and now the pipes are going upstairs, upward. When we install this, when we are mounting these massage jets, small jets, we have to use this helican, just this tool, to fix, to put it in, to hold it in position, and we turn we hold this in position, and we now turn this plastic jets to the right position, just like this. Okay. And finally, for the next would be the underwater light. Next, we're going to install the massage bathtub, and also the controlling box into the bathtub. And before we install this, we have to remove the excessive glue on the bathtub, just like this. So the surface will be clean and smooth. It will be good looking.什么稍微慢一点，你慢一点，你可以跟他搞啊，来吧，怎么弄？这个哪里的 ？First we use this piece of the black cushion onto the. If you check where here are 4 holes pre-drilled for the installation of the bathtub. OK， 这个把它拧紧吧，这个要不要拧紧？那拧一下，把它拧紧好了呀。这个要不要拧紧啊？要不要拧紧吧？啊，等下拧是吧？Now the controlling box is to be installed. Just next to the jacuzzi pump. There are 2 holes pre-drilled for the installation of this part.慢一点。OK， 啊 ，OK。等一下 ，Now we have the pump and the controlling box installed here.